Brazil's number of confirmed coronavirus cases has just surpassed that of Great Britain's. A director of an emergency center is saying Brazil is losing the battle against the virus. Chris Perez, who is now in Brazil, will report the details why.
Fresh graves were being dug in a massive cemetery in Brazil's largest city after the country overtook Britain to become the country with the third highest number of infections, behind the United States and Russia. Brazil recorded 674 new coronavirus deaths on Monday, according to the Health Ministry. As of today, Brazil has nearly 272,000 known coronavirus infections. For Dimas Covas, director of Sao Paulo's COVID-19 Emergency Center, the world's fifth largest country seems to be losing the battle.
Estamos perdendo essa batalha contra o
We're
vírus.
losing the battle against the virus. That's the
O
reality.
vírus nesse momento
The virus at this
está
moment is winning the
vencendo a
war.
guerra.
These days coming up, the holidays,
Esses dias que
I
se
don't see them as
aproximam dos
holidays,
feriados,
but I see
eu
them
não
as battle
enxergo como
days,
feriado,
the most important
enxergo
days
como
in the
dias de
fight
batalha.
against the virus.
os dias mais
Some locals even say their president is doing a poor job.
I agree with the governor and the mayors. I don't agree with the president because I think he thinks this is all a game. 3 ministers already left in 1 month, and he said several things that shouldn't be said, and that's making us even more afraid.
My opinion is that we should get back to work. If we're going to die, then we're going to die. We should go back to normal. That's the word. You can put that in the media.
There are now almost 18,000 people in Brazil who have died from the outbreak. According to data from the Health Ministry, São Paulo remains the worst hit by the pandemic, with 63,066 cases and 4,823 deaths. Rio de Janeiro is in second place with 26,665 infections and 2,852 deaths. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has lost popularity over his handling of the pandemic, based on recent polls, although he retains a resilient core of support. Last week, Health Minister Nelson Taik resigned, becoming the second top health official to leave the post since the pandemic began. Chris Perez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.